The margin function verifies the position of the shoulder edge and directs future data processing by confirming the margin line. There may be minor discrepancies of about 1 millimeter during tooth preparation, which are often barely noticeable. Since dental laboratory technicians cannot directly observe the true condition of the prepared teeth, relying solely on feel to determine the margins may result in restorations that do not fit perfectly with the preparation. To prevent this, dentists can use the margin function to draw a guideline on the tooth, then click Trim to refine it. This clarifies the actual margin position and provides technicians with a clear reference during fabrication. Although not commonly used, this function serves as an auxiliary tool, helping to define margin lines that support accurate design and processing. Use this function by clicking on the margin function. Select the tooth position to be marked on the left. Double-click the tooth position to enlarge the abutment tooth. Long press the left mouse button to draw the edge line at the abutment shoulder. If you need to rotate the direction of the model, long press the right mouse button. Click the Trim button. Left mouse button to select the adjustment point. Fine-tuning of edgeline position. To remove the neckline margin that is now marked, click the Clear option.